Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about preparing bank reconciliation statement with overdraft balance. So here is given a problem. It says that on 31st January 2020 the cash book of Ashim showed an overdraft of rupees 15,500 and the bank statement showed otherwise. On verification, the following facts were discovered. That is, Ashim had deposited 4 checks to his account on 27th of January for rupees 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 and 8,000. Of these, checks for rupees 6,000 and 7,000 were credited on 2nd February 2020. He had issued number of checks total amounting to rupees 20,000. Of these, a check of rupees 15,000 had been presented for payment and check of rupees 2,000 was returned as defective. Total of page on the debit side of the cash book on 25th January was rupees 7,500. This was carried over to the next page as rupees 5,700 by mistake. A bill for rupees 5,000 discounted by Ashim for rupees 4850 had been dishonored, but this was not entered in the cash book. Draw up a bank reconciliation statement and find the balance as per bank statement. So now we will prepare a bank statement. We will prepare a bank reconciliation statement, I would say, of Ashim as on 31st January 2020. What is the format of bank reconciliation statement? This is the format. We have particulars and 2 amount columns. So we will start this BRS with overdraft balance of 15,500. So we have written bank balance as per cash book, that is overdraft 15,500. As this is a negative balance, we have written this in a bracket. Now the next adjustment. Ashim had deposited 4 checks to his account on 27 January for rupees 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 and 8,000. Of these, checks for rupees 6,000 and 7,000 were credited on 2nd February 2020. So of these 4 checks, 6,000 and 7,000, these 2 checks were credited on 2nd February. So it is assumed that the rest 2 checks, that is 5,000 and 8,000, these were credited on 31st January or within 31st January. So checks deposited but not credited within due time. So what happens? Cash book balance has been increased and passbook balance has been decreased. So we will reduce the cash book balance. That is, we will write this as adjustment under deduction. Checks deposited but not credited. What are the amounts? The amounts are 6,000 plus 7,000. So the total comes to 13,000. So let's go to the next adjustment. He had issued a number of checks total amounting to rupees 20,000. Of these, a check of rupees 15,000 had been presented for payment and a check of rupees 2,000 was returned as defective. So of this 20,000, 15,000 was presented for payment and check of 2,000 was returned as defective. So 20,000 minus 15,000 minus 2,000, that is 3,000 were not presented. It is implied. So checks issued but not presented. Cash book balance has been reduced and passbook balance has been increased. So as we are preparing the BRS with the cash book balance, we will add this figure. That is checks issued but not presented for payment. What will be the amount? 20,000 minus 15,000 minus 2,000. The amount is 3,000. Next, total of page on the debit side of the cash book on 25th January was rupees 7,500. This was carried over to the next page as rupees 5,700 by mistake. So, the balance of the cash book has been decreased by rupees 7,500 less rupees 5,700, that is rupees 1,800. So as cash book balance has been decreased, so we will add this figure. We will write it as total of page wrongly carried forward. What is the amount? 7,500 minus 5,700. The amount comes to 1,800. Again, the next adjustment, a bill for rupees 5,000 discounted by Oshim for rupees 4,850 had been dishonored, but this was not entered in the cash book. So when a bill is dishonored, the bank will collect the full amount of the bill irrespective of the amount in which it discounts the bill. So the amount of the bill is rupees 5,000. The bank will debit rupees 5,000 from my account. So passbook balance has been reduced. As passbook balance has been reduced by 5,000, we will reduce the cash book balance or the bank balance as per cash book by rupees 5,000 to maintain a parity between the cash book balance and the passbook balance. So bill dishonored but not entered in the cash book, rupees 5,000. So we will add up this 3,000 plus 1,800. The total comes to 4,800. And if we add this 4,800 with this negative 15,500, this is negative because we have written this in a bracket and this is bank balance as per cash book overdraft balance. So the amount comes to 10,700 negative balance. Again, these two amounts will be added. The total of these two amounts will be 13,000 plus 5,000 equals to 18,000. Again, if we deduct this 18,000 from this negative 10,700, what we get here is 28,700 negative balance. This is bank balance as per bank statement or passbook, which is overdraft because it shows a negative balance. So we have started this bank reconciliation statement with bank balance as per cash book, which is overdraft. We have added some adjustments, we have deducted some adjustments, and we have come to the close of the statement. At the end of the statement, we find out the bank balance as per bank statement, which is also overdraft balance because it is a negative balance. So this is how we prepare bank reconciliation statement for overdraft balances. So this will be all. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.